Sourcing a reliable manufacturing partner can be one of the most time-consuming and high-risk parts of your business. But what if you could outsource the vetting and keep the confidence? At Vengeon Trade, we act as your quality gatekeepers. Here's how we audition factories on your behalf. We deploy a rigorous 4-stage vetting process. It's a system designed to eliminate guesswork and systematically identify only the most reliable partner. Stage 1 is the Credential Check. This goes beyond a simple license. We verify all export qualifications and relevant industry certifications. It's about confirming we're dealing with a legitimate and professional entity. This is the non-negotiable foundation. Stage 2 is the Capability Audit. What machinery do they use? What is their true production capacity? And critically, do they have a proven track record of at least 3 years? These factors determine their ability to deliver your order reliably and at scale. Stage 3 is Quality Verification. We order and rigorously test production samples. Furthermore, we place immense value on reputation. We seek out and analyze feedback from their current partners. A history of satisfied clients is the strongest predictor of your future satisfaction. Stage 4 is Ongoing Performance Management. Our vetting never truly ends. We continuously monitor our partners against a strict set of KPIs. This ensures our network doesn't just start strong, it gets smarter and more reliable over time. After these 4 rigorous stages, typically only the top 2% make it to our approved supplier list. Thank you for watching.